Yeah. I have sent you the sample. And the prices are also attached to them. Of course. Of course I've sent it, yes. You know, I had to do it this night so that by morning, you'll pay. Of course we have Mochula in this company. Yes. The thing is this, once you pay and we receive your alert, then we'll be able to send you your package. All right then. Good night. I hate incompetence. Honestly. Does it mean these guys cannot do anything without me telling them? Then what's the need for me to be spending my money paying them salary? What is all this? Bunch of incompetent fools. And why is this one calling my line like crazy? What is all this? Ejike, now can you give me one reason? You're calling my line like, I don't know, what is it? My friend, do the supply and get the hell away from my phone. Rubbish.
Good morning, my lady.
Morning. How are you?
Fine, thank you.
So?
We're set to go.
What?
We are set, my lady.
Is my breakfast served?
Yes, my lady.
Alright, I'm just going to do breakfast and we head to the office. We have a lot to do in the office. Get my bag.
Who am I saying?
Dad, come in. I missed you so much.
Oh, you're welcome.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Dad. Thank you so much. Yes.
The luggage.
That's
Come on, put the boot. Let me carry the other luggage.
Sorry, there's only just this one, sir. Just this one.
Only that one?
Yeah, yes, sir. That's one luggage.
Okay, who is this man?
That's the taxi man from the airport.
Oh, taxi man. Okay, pay him now so that let me open the gate so that he can leave.
Sir, this is only 1,000.
Oh.
Thank you.
Kevin, is it that your luggage is in transit? The other ones?
That's all my luggage, sir.
Why?
It's a long story.
Okay, let me close the gate.
Have you suddenly gone move, Ejike?
My lady, I
Oh, will you keep quiet? Or do you know that you want to talk? Now what is wrong with everyone in this office?
lady, what I was trying to explain to you is that the mistake didn't come from me.
Oh, really?
Yes, my lady, but from the Benin customer. She made a mistake by the number of cartons she forwarded to us. I'm sorry, my lady.
Alright. I'm suddenly interested in this your storytelling. Go ahead.
My lady, what I'm trying to emphasize here is that she demanded for 500 cartons, but she made a mistake by adding another zero, making it 3 zeros. Yes, ma'am. As the storekeeper, I thought she meant 5,000 cartons. Then I realized that it was a mistake on her part. I'm so sorry, ma'am. Please. Sorry, ma'am.
Ejike, you actually made a big mistake. I mean, you should have called the customer to confirm if it was truly 5,000 cartons of human hair attachment she needed.
No, Mona Lisa. You should have allowed him to finish spewing trash from his mouth. Can you hear yourself, young man? You suddenly gave a total stranger we know nothing about 5,000 cartons. You webbled 5,000 cartons of original human hair.
I was trying to... I'm so
You
sorry.
should be ashamed of yourself. Where is your office? Your office is just there. A step away from my own office. Now what stops you from coming to confirm from me first before showcasing your stupidity? Oh, will you keep quiet and not done talking? Now what is this? Hear yourself. All of a sudden, to someone we know nothing about, not a regular customer, you give out extra 4,500 cartons. Who does that?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, my lady. I'm so sorry, ma.
Sorry for yourself. Big shame on your side. Now you better pray. Pray to your God, or whichever one you call, that this customer returns the extra 4,500 cartons of our human hair, original human hair attachment. Else, my brother, you are going to pay. You will pay this company with every dime in your account. You will pay to the last kobo.
I'm sorry.
You mean after spending donkey years in South Africa, you came back with nothing?
I can't believe it too. It's not easy in South Africa, Father. It's not easy over there at all.
Well, I thank God that you came back alive. So tell me, what actually happened?
Very long story, Father. I met this man after I worked so many years and made some money in South Africa. He later became my friend. He introduced me to a business. Well, it was all a scam. I was duped and he ran away with my money.
Analogous to what happened to me. I mean, everything I made in my sojourn in the United Kingdom, gone, courtesy of one heartless human being. Very unfortunate. Anyway, where there is life, there is hope. Welcome back.
It just seems like a bad omen.
Don't worry. It's not the number of times that a man falls that matters, but how many times he stands up, dusts himself, and forge ahead. Okay?
My lady, I would suggest that you call this Benin customer and then let her know the situation on ground.
I beg your pardon? I will do no such thing. Of course. You better go tell Ejike to fix his mess. Now what is all this? I have been this young man's support system, family support system to be precise. From the day one, I brought him out from his village to the city to work for me in this company. I've been taking care of everyone in his family. So is this how he's going to pay me back?
My lady, I truly understand what you're saying. But then you're being too hard on yourself. Please calm down so you don't trigger your BP.
Baby, have you asked yourself, what if we did not detect this thing on time? So this is how I would have lost huge amount of money in this company. I would have lost everything.
Of a truth, the company would have suffered a huge loss. But we thank God that it was detected.
It's not his fault. I mean, I should be blamed. Of course, when you go about helping every poor person you see in the street, Dick, Harry and Tom, this is what you get. It's not his fault.
No, that's what I should. Yes, no. It's 250.
Sandra,
Give him money.
that reminds me.
What's that?
Guess who I saw today?
What did they say?
I ran into Lisa at ShopRite today.
Oh my God, this is my fine girl. How is she doing?
From what I saw, she's doing great.
Are you serious?
you needed to see our babe.
Please tell me more.
Mona Lisa is looking wow. Wow. Her skin glows.
Wow.
I almost jumped out of my skin when I saw her.
You didn't.
Her new job is good on her.
Wait, did you see the guy she came to the shop with?
A guy?
Yes.
You and I know Lisa barely has time for herself. Let alone having a relationship.
Chesa, are you trying to say she came to the shop all alone?
Yeah, she said she came to get lunch for her boss.
Wow, that her beautiful boss lady. I mean, she's so rich. That woman is stupendously rich.
Yeah.
But my question right now begging for an answer is...
Sandra.
What?
You and question. What is your question now?
But Chelsea...
No. Let's hear it.
That her beautiful boss lady. At her age, she's not married yet. She has all the money in the whole world, yet unmarried. Is she planning to die as a spinster? I'm just asking though.
If you ask me, now who I go ask?
Babe, stop now. Let me tell you something. Yeah? You know they always say that a woman without a husband is more like a building without a roof. You know what that means? Yes. She has all the money and yet no man. I don't know if you're...
Aproko, madam. I do not have answer to your question.
It's okay, no problem. Let me just show you the last
Go and get
thing that I told you about.
better.
Now you better call that woman to return our 4,500 cartons, or she pays for them. Am I understood?
Yes, my lady.
Get out.
Thank you.
Mona Lisa.
Yes, my lady.
You have the woman's number, right?
Yes, ma'am.
I need to call her.
Okay.
Alright, my lady. Hello, madam. Good day, madam. How are you today? My name is Lady Barbara of Barbara Hayes. Please, I'm calling in respect of the transaction you made with my boy. It was supposed to be 500 cartons, which is what you're supposed to collect. Rather, you people wrote 5,000 and he gave you 5,000 cartons of our original human hair attachment. Yes, beautiful.
My girl went to pick the baby and was surprised to see 5,000 instead of 5.
Alright, madam, so how is it going to be like? Listen, in the first place, the fault is from you. You were supposed to write 500. Why writing 5,000?
I'm sorry, friend.
It's alright. Are you going to pay for the extra 4,500 cartons or you're returning them to us?
No, by tomorrow I'll send it back to you. You'll receive your goods too.
Alright, thank you very much. She will return them.
Okay. Babes, that woman is a babe waiting to sting at any slightest opportunity. I mean, I doff my cap for Lisa. She has this thing for tolerance. That's the reason I cannot work under anybody. I'm not ready to tolerate anybody's successes. I'm not ready for that. I cannot.
But I guess Lisa is not complaining. She loves her job so much.
I don't get it one bit. I mean, a graduate with the best result. A first-class upper holder in French language. Working as a PE. Under someone that she's even complaining of disliking her arrogant demeanor. Are you kidding me right now?
Would you rather she sits at home unemployed?
Huh.
I mean, it's better than nothing. She receives a whooping salary of 100,000 naira every month. It's something.
Babe, the money is quite attractive, but the work itself is stressful. It is.
Stressful?
Yes.
No, Sandra, tell me. Which one is not stressful? No, you stand here every day making wigs and braided wigs for customers. You even make more for sample for sales. With all the back aches and the leg pain and all of that. A graduate, for that matter. Ha! I beg, babes, leave my towel.
My sister.
Listen, you and I know the reason Lisa left her teaching job. She was having hiccups, the headache, and the cracked voice that comes with shouting in the classroom. With the little or no salary they pay her. A French teacher received 25,000 naira. 25,000 naira. Oh please,
that one is the one that pains me the most. Proprietors and proprietresses, they're so wicked. They cannot even pay their teachers well. Even with the huge amount of money they collect from parents for their children's school fees. Is that not wickedness?
Exactly. So you see? You know, her job has been the pivot of her life. She loves her PA job so much. And Sandra, 100K no day here.
No, they hear my sister.
Don't be small money.
My babes. That mother get money. Like the woman get money.
Yeah, so she has money.
Wow.
You know, I heard she deals with different kind of hairs, attachments and hairs. That's a big deal.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Obviously. That's a big
So you see.
Bimbo. One of them one. Afa now. It's fine, I can't do this thing. How you doing now?
Jonah?
Bimbo baby.
Let him carry you come here.
As I carry my leg, come. See I can't see you. Don't save my person now.
Wait, I don't understand. See me for waiting.
See you now.
I better go back to your duty post.
Bimbo, what thing they do yourself? Why all the time you go claim how to get? What thing they do you? Person no fit follow you play. Huh?
Play with me as how? No, you won't play with me, say wetin happen. Ha! Okay, you know if you play with me, they go. And you know so Oyibo people talk say, too much of familiarity brings contempt.
Huh? Bimbo, wait oh, you dey speak grammar. No, you dey speak grammar for me now. When we say me and you no say you no go school. You dey speak like person wey go school. Huh? Huh?
Jonah, I don't blame you at all.
You no go ever blame me.
No, I do not blame you at all. So you actually think I'm an illiterate like you? Huh? You think I'm an illiterate like you? You know what? Just go back to your duty post. I don't blame you. Before small time now, you will tell me that you want to sleep with me.
Bimbo, you see the way I tell they look you? Huh? You see the way I tell they look you? So you feel speak grammar like this? Huh? You feel speak English like this, Abi? No problem.
You see why I always call you Olodo? Olodo Rapata. You don't even know the difference between domestic staff, housemaid or house girl. I am a domestic staff.
Abeg, clean your mouth. Wetin dey worry you? Clean your mouth. See, if you like, make you be domestic staff or staff domestic or kitchen and compound authority. See, man, tell you, me no say for this compound na housemaid na you be. You dey hear me? So don't try am. See they do you.
It's not your fault. Just go to your duty post. I don't have time.
Small favor why I say make you for just give me. Eh? Small favor why I say help me give me this thing where they under make I know
help
wetin
you
dey do.
give me this thing kill you there.
Eh? You dey carry am dey waka for this compound. Dey waka give me this thing my dey sexy. No wetin dey do me. He say you no go give me. But make I tell you if you dey do stinginess dey do stinginess come die. If you enter grave wetin maggot go do that thing no be here. You go chop am like a shawarma. I mean dey tell you. Better give me this thing. If you like they curse me. Wetin I no say for this compound na me and you. Give me this thing man I know wetin dey do me. Huh?
Get out of this place, dirty thing.
If you like they insult me.
No, come and take now. Come and take. If I give you now, you will take, Abi. If I open it for you, you will take. May you for die inside. Omo jati. Uloshi. Oh there. I don't blame you. I really don't blame you. It's not me that came here to do domestic work. You will not come here to my front and be talking to me anyhow. Because now you don't come late. Idiot.
Haba. Na see Bimbo. Na me Bimbo won't use grammar. Chance for this compound why I be king. I go to tell him as he be for me. He go dodge am. He go dey dodge am for me. Haba. Something where only me suppose they enjoy for this compound. Only me. Eh? Hi. Make I see that boy where they do farm boy where they find and come for this compound. Eh? Wetin I go do am? In people no go recognize am. Haba. Something one suppose they enjoy. You go to torture me for body. Eh? Hi. Now me you want to say you go school, Abi? No problem. No problem. Hi.
Jesus. I've suffered. I have really suffered. So, simply because I came here to do a domestic job in this house, Jonah thinks that we're mates, we're on the same level. Anyway, I don't blame him at all. If I had gotten a good paying job, will I be here working as an housemaid? I just blame the government. I blame them. I blame the bad government. Wait, but come to think of it, I think I even earn more than the public servant. Even what the government paid them. Anyway, I'm grateful for what I have. But let me just see that dirty thing close to me again. I swear with my life, I swear with Allah, he will not like what I will do to him. Stupid dirty thing.
It's gonna be alright. Everything is gonna be alright. Jonathan! Just for you.
Who be that? Who?
Open the gate. I would have nobody.
Open the gate now. I'll report you to madam.
Wait. Na me dey insult like that. Na me dey insult. Bimbo, na me dey insult like this. But no problem.
You see you alone.
You don't go do
I will
anything.
show you this house.
You don't go do anything.
You have no
I
idea.
beg, they go make
You have no idea who's been boys.
They go make I show you lock the gate.
You know, standing here with you like between myself.
They go there. See here. Yes, they go your listen. I think let's go you there. Abba, give me something. Don't give me.
Oh, Mona Lisa, tell Bimbo to prepare my dinner. All right? I'm hungry. I couldn't sleep properly last night because of workload.
All right,
Let me have my bag. Thank you very much.
All right, ma'am.
All right, once dinner is served, come call me. I'm upstairs. I'll be there right now.
Don't you know, don't you know, don't you know, God is near. Can't you see, can't you see, can't you see?
Oh, Bimbo. Melissa, good evening. Good evening. How are you? I'm fine. Okay, is dinner ready?
It doesn't be ready.
Sorry? Did you just say soon?
Yes, ma'am.
Bimbo, from all indication, it looks like you're just starting. Look at the whole ingredients everywhere.
Please, ma'am.
I'm talking to you, you're not even saying anything, Bimbo. What have you been doing since morning? Dinner is not ready and you know boss lady doesn't like eating late.
No, ma'am, please. Don't be angry. I'll soon finish. Just a little more time.
But this is not about me. And you know that. This is about the boss. If I were to be you, I'll be slapping with these things. Because when she comes here, you know what she can do. You will make it fast. Very fast!
Please, don't be angry. It will soon be ready, okay?
Oh my. Oh. What a day. I'm so tired. I'm fucked out. I'm finished. I'm hungry.
Oh. Oh, God. What is this? My goodness, I must have dozed off. Gosh, my head. Bimbo. My food. Gosh, I'm hungry. Bimbo! Idiot that calls herself my domestic staff. Where are you? Can you say so that call herself my domestic staff? Idiot! Where is that noise coming from? That's my lady's voice. My question is, why is my dinner not served yet?
My lady, I beg no vex. It goes soon ready. Just...
It goes soon ready. Can you hear yourself? Do you know what the time is? This is 8:30 p.m. and you haven't served my dinner yet. What's the matter?
Madam, I beg no vex, no be my fault.
And whose fault is that? I honestly hate incompetent people. Talk to me!
Madam, my lady, sorry. By the time I reach market, the meat don't finish.
Oh, Mary Celeste, what were you doing in my house that made you go to the market late?
Na Jonathan Kosan.
I beg your pardon? Jonathan? How? I'm asking how?
Yes, my lady. Okay. By the time I finish my house chores, now him I say make I kukuma go market, go buy food stuff. I shall come outside. I see say rain dey fall. I go back inside. I carry umbrella. I shall reach the gate. Now him I shall come dey knock for Jonathan door. Say Jonathan, open the gate. I won't go market. He just shall stand dey look me. Now why he come be like say I no quick do the food.
What?
Yes, ma. I tell am say come outside. I no wan miss the meat seller because you know they take the man meat go finish. I knock. Jonathan just stand there, they look me. I talk. Oh, sote before he come begin shout the waka like legbere. Manage go open the gate. Madam, no vex. I beg. Na because of Jonathan.
Can you hear yourself? You are extremely lucky that I'm not in the mood to hit you. Otherwise, I would have given you a hot slap. That would reset your dumb brain. Have you gone bananas? Now, what is this? Jonathan! God punish you there. Look at him, ugly thing.
I don't believe anything where this almost what they tell you. Now like for her mouth as they say.
Have you gone nuts? I'm asking you. Now what has come over you? Is it me that you're talking to like that?
No, sorry, ma.
Are you mad?
Sorry, ma.
Just take a look at that slow life scumbag.
Kevin, you are sleeping on the couch? Get up. Go to your room, man. Go and sleep in your room. Okay? Okay. Good night, eh?
Good night, Dad.
My question is, why didn't you open gate for her when she was going to the market?
Madam, I opened the gate for her. And she never told where she was going to leave market. I opened the gate.
Jonathan, it be like say you dey craze. Abi you don't craze before. Show real pain, your head no correct ni. Eh? Madam, they ask you. Tell them why you no open gates for me when I dey go market.
Make I tell madam waiting. Huh? Make I tell madam waiting. It be like say something they worry for her, Abi. Now where you go, now be the problem. This I don't know.
Madam, my lady, because of say Jonathan no quit open gates for me. By the time I reach market, Oga starts meat don't finish. Now I come begin the waka inside market, they begin to find where I go buy meat. Now what happened with that?
The question I have for you this morning, standing before me, is what is your reason for not opening the gate for her when she was going to the market?
Madam, open the gate. Open the gate. The gate.
Do you know why I'm asking you, young man? Because this was exactly what you did with Odwak when she was working for me. I want to know your reason. What are your reasons for chasing all my mates away? What are your reasons?
Jonathan, talk now. Madam, they ask you. You go tell them, or make I tell them. You go better make that thing come out for your mouth. Or else, I go tell madam everything.
Bimbo, I think the food in the kitchen is burning.
Hey, true. I beg no vex. I go to oh God. This food don't burn no. This food on my sofa cook. Eh? You don't burn finish. Something when I enter rain for buy food come house gonna cook. Which I won't tell Lady Barbara now. Eh?
Now you listen to me. I will no longer condone, I repeat, I will never take your exorcism anymore in this house.
Madam, you know I'm not getting anywhere to go now.
Now you listen to me. I do not want to see your ugly face by tomorrow morning when I wake up.
Madam, I swear I don't do anything, madam. I beg.
Oh really?
I beg.
Alright then. Wait till I see this your ugly face tomorrow, then will you realize the reason I'm called Lady Barbara.
Madam, I beg now. Madam, I swear I don't do anything. I don't do anything.
Hey, my lady, go to the fridge. Get me that loaf of bread and butter and do that fast.
Madam, please now, madam. Madam. Hey. That's why I take lose my job. Hey.
Hey. Mona Lisa. Madam won't pursue me. No be me oh. Na Jonathan. I don't tell am say make him leave me, make I do wetin carry me come this house jejely. But he no gree. Now soup don't burn. Eh? Hey, madam won't pursue me. Mona Lisa.
I need to get the bread in
this cake. Hey, Mona Lisa don't talk anything no. Eh? And now I don't even know my fate for this house. What thing I go do now? Hey. Jonathan. Now because of you, I swear on Allah, if madam drive me come on for this house, you not gonna like what I go do to you. Even if Allah come down, beg me, I'm not gonna forgive you. Now the food don't burn. The food don't burn. I'm going to be my fate now. Madam won't pursue me. I won't stay. I go if madam pursue me. Jonathan.
Now what is all this? Danny Compo is leaving my house first thing tomorrow morning, else I would have him arrested and detained in police custody. Nonsense. That was exactly how he drove Jovita out of this house. How about Odwok? He chased Odwok out. My best cook ever. Come in.
My lady, the bread will show you asked for.
Now what is this? I'm asking you. Have you also joined them? Have you lost your mind? How dare you? Serve me like this. Does it mean you cannot even put slices of bread in a little saucer with butter and cup of tea to bring for me? And you're just serving me like this. You should be ashamed of yourself.
Everything is gonna be alright. It's gonna be alright. Everything is gonna be alright.
Jonathan!
Just for you.
I need you to pack all your things, all your racks. You're leaving this premises at once. Now, where is this boy? Ejike! Ejike! Ejike, I need you to go into the security house and drag that animal out.
My lady, I'm not sure Jonathan is still in this premises.
Come on, do as I have instructed. He's in there. Now look at the he-goat.
Madam, please now. Madam, please. I don't get anywhere where I can't go like this, madam, please.
Oh, really? Let me tell you where you will go. You have to go to the River Niger. Dive in there and die. After all, you're better off dead.
Madam, please. You want to see this thing now, my village people. Now, my village people. There's one thing I don't ever make up for this life.
Oh, really? And you're right.
Hi.
Now get out.
Madam, please. Now.
I said get out.
Hi.
Ejike,
Hi.
will you
Omo Yoruba.
throw this idiot out?
Omo Yoruba.
My boss,
Hi.
just
God
calm
go punish you for me, dear.
Just calm down, follow me. This well.
Hi. Madam, please.
Don't worry.
Madam, please.
Get out! Lock my gate.
Don't you know, don't you know, don't you know? God is watching you.
Henceforth,
Oh, yes, I
you'll become the gate man of this house.
My lady, please. Gate man? But I don't want to be a gate man. I'm a graduate, please.
Really? Yes. Now what gave you the right to tell me the position to give to you or not? I'm asking you. You are a graduate, yet we almost ran into a huge loss because of you. My friend, now you listen to me. Whether you like it or not, here is your new office.
Please. Madam.
My friend, get up and occupy your new office.
Madam.
Greed is the root of all evil. Love of money has killed a lot of people. Have you seen what your love of money can do? Have you seen what could be the aftermath? Tears and regret, pain and hurt, all by yourself.
Good morning, Dad.
Calvin, good morning. How are you?
I'm very fine. Thank you. And you?
Yeah, I'm good.
Job hunting.
What do you mean by job hunting?
Dad, why would you ask a question like that? Have you forgotten that I am a first-class graduate of the University of Delft in pharmacology? And since going abroad did not work for me, I thought it was wise to get a job, get a proper job, and put the pieces of my life together.
Huh? That is a wise decision. That's fine. I wish you success. Okay?
Thank you. really appreciate it. I have to be on my way now. I'm already late. Take care of yourself.
I will.
Have you seen what could be the aftermath? Tears and regret, pain and hurt, all by yourself.
My lady. My lady, can you quit stuttering and tell me what you want to say?
My lady, actually, I feel you were too harsh in your decision making earlier today. I mean, you allowed anger take the better part of your judgment.
Harsh? Harsh about what exactly?
My lady, I think the post of a gate man is really demeaning for AGK. He is a graduate of economics.
Oh.
I just want to plead with you to please allow him retain his post as a sales rep in the company. Please now, if you will consider.
Are you done talking?
Yes, my lady.
Are you crushing an AGK?
Ma?
What do you mean by ma? Now what is this? You mean I cannot decide for myself what I want for my company? Is that what you're saying?
No, ma.
Now what do you mean by post of what? A storekeeper and gate man? Now what's the difference? He was a storekeeper in my company. He keeps record of things, then he reports to us. Now he is my gate man. He keeps records of people coming in and out of my compound. So what's the difference? They're the same. So why are you making it look like I did something horrible to him? Now if you don't mind, can you do what I ask you to do?
I'm sorry, ma.
Excuse me. Hello, handsome. How
Hello.
are you? Oh, you mind to hop in? Let me give you a lift.
No, thank you. Thank you.
Come on, I mean no harm, okay? A handsome-looking guy like you shouldn't be standing under this scorching hot sun, sweating like a Christmas goat. Come on, I don't bite. Okay? Come on, hop in. Alright. Wow.
So, hello?
Hello.
My name is Gift, but my friends call me the Gifted Gift.
Okay.
What is your name?
Kelvin.
Calvin. Such a cute name for a cute looking guy. Oh my goodness. You're welcome. You know, I'm thinking if you can venture into acting. I'm certain you will make it in Nollywood. Seriously.
Well, thank you very much for the offer, but I do not want to be an actor.
Come on. It's better than jumping from one interview to another with this good looks of yours. Come on.
No, I'm not interested. I'm not interested in acting at all.
Well, I'm only trying to show concern. My name is Gift, but my friends call me the Gifted Gift.
Okay.
So, what is your name?
I'm Kelvin.
Calvin! Wow. Such a cute name for a cute looking guy.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Calvin, you know you're handsome. You're everything cute. And I've been thinking, maybe you can venture into acting. I'm certain you will make it in Nollywood. You know?
Thank you very much, but I do not want to be an actor.
It's better than jumping from one interview to another with this good looks. Come on, think about it.
There's nothing to think about. I don't want to be in the spotlight. I don't want to be a celebrity.
Well, I'm really trying to show concern.
I understand you're showing concern, okay? Don't get me wrong. I'm not saying acting is not a lucrative profession or something. But it's just that I'm not interested in that aspect of or sector of life.
But I think it's better. It's far more better than looking for a job here and there. You've got the looks already. Don't allow these good looks to waste away just like that. Seriously. Think about it.
There's really nothing to think about. I've made up my mind. I understand that you're looking out for me. I understand you're concerned, about my welfare. But thanks, but no thanks.
Okay, let me bust your bubbles. Do you know how much the stars go home with from each production? If you have the idea, you will grab this opportunity with your both hands. I'm telling you. Seriously. Okay, Calvin, listen. Let me tell you something. Don't you want to be like Jim Ike, Richard Murphy Damijo, Michael, or even our father, what was that his name? Ugezu J. Ugezu. You know, these are big shots in the industry. No? Okay. I understand.
Thank you very much.
Oh, it's nothing. So this is your house?
Yes.
Wow, it's beautiful. Beautiful.
Thank you.
Would you mind if we go in together?
I don't think that's a good idea.
Why?
Look, I stay here with my father, so
Oh.
I don't think he would like it.
You stay with your father?
Yes.
I understand. But at least can I pay you a visit?
I don't think that's a good idea either.
You know what?
I understand. Let me just have your digits. I can talk to you later, yeah? Okay. Come on. Okay. I'll serve it. I'll serve it with Calvin. I love that name. Calvin. Oh my goodness. Okay, my doll. I'll talk to you later. Bye.
Bye-bye.
I just wanna love somebody and pray that someone loves me back. I just wanna be the best I can. I don't wanna leave.
So, you're back?
Yeah.
You seem to be so tired. So, how did it go?
My day was very bad. All the pharmacies that I went to were saying the same thing. No work. No vacancies at all. So I decided to try and get employment from all those private schools. You know, one of those private schools. I went there. This is so ridiculous. I went there and they told me that my take-home pay is going to be 25,000 naira. As a teacher. A first-class graduate of this country. And they're offering to pay me 25,000 naira. Can you imagine that?
Son, don't worry yourself. Okay? The fact that you didn't succeed today does not mean that you will not succeed tomorrow. Alright? So don't get worked up, just relax. Okay?
Okay now.
Go in there, there is food on the dining. You can help yourself.
Thank you.
Alright.
Dad? I've been meaning to ask you a question. Something that's been bothering me of late.
What about?
There's something that's been bothering me for some time now. You told me that you used to be very wealthy. You acquired so many landed properties. And you were quite rich. Very rich, actually. So I'm wondering, how could someone who has acquired that much wealth become poor overnight? What happened?
I don't want to talk about it.
Dad, don't be like this. I would like to hear your story. Maybe I can learn a thing or two.
Something you already know about?
Is it a crime to be real? Is it a crime
Hello,
to be
girl. Babe, you're here.
Yes, so guess what? Oh my god. Gist day.
Oh yeah.
That's the kind of thing I like.
Oh my God.
Oh yeah.
Let me fill you in a bit.
Are they here?
I met this cute looking guy today.
Okay.
You need to have been there to see him. He is everything handsome. With his one pack intact. You know, you guys go for all those 6 packs. This one has only 1 pack. But my dear, oh, you see his breast is dripping out from his shirt. It was so hot.
Really?
Yes!
So, who is this guy?
Well, his name is Calvin. And guess what, girl? I have fallen helplessly in love.
I beg. Just snap out of it, I beg. You can't be serious right now. You just met this guy today. And now you're falling heads over heels in love with him already. I beg.
Babe, if you see this guy.
And so?
If you see this guy, you will fall and fall and fall all over again. In fact, you will fall like a fool. Have you seen his height? Wait, let me analyze it. This guy got this height. And then he has this glowing skin like a mirror. I almost got white down there. Looking at him.
Wait, hold on. Okay. He's cute. He's fine. Yes. He's this. You don't even know him, what he represents. You do not know him.
This is my life, my life.
So, like I told you in the past, I spent 7 years in the United Kingdom. Well, I went there to hustle, but Providence smiled on me and I made so much money. So much so that I became the envy of my friends over there. At a point, I told myself I needed to repatriate my wealth to our country, Nigeria, so that at least I will have something to retire to. So I started sending my money to someone who was close to me with the belief that the money would be invested properly. So the plan was to invest on properties, real estate, shopping plaza, filling stations, and all that. The person was actually giving me feedback, pretending that the investment was actually going fine, until I came back to Nigeria and I saw nothing. The person disappeared into thin air. What could I do? That was how I became poor. Overnight. With the little I came with, I bought this bungalow. If not by now, I would have been homeless. That's the story of my life.
Why are humans so selfish? Why are they so self-centered? How can somebody do this kind of evil to a fellow human being? How? I suppose this person is a close relation or a friend of yours?
Someone very close to me. And that was why I never wanted to discuss this issue again.
Yeah. I can imagine. I'm sure it's one of your brothers or something. You need to get the police involved. I mean, why did you not get the police involved?
I did actually. But all to no avail. Each time I tell my story, I feel like dying. I feel like dying.
This country happened to each and every one of us. Such a sad story. It's okay then. It's alright. Everything will be okay. You've been alive, and that's what matters. Everything will be sorted at the due time. To think that you've been going through all this, and my mom is somewhere in prison in London. Very sad.
You know, I keep telling you about this whole madness of being a Nollywood actress. It's not paying for you. So why don't you look for something better to do with your time?
It will pay someday. Yes. All these stars started like this. And today, they are eating the fruit of their labor. After they all pay their dues. You must pay your dues. Yes.
You're an upcoming actress who hardly works, yet you have a car. When producers call you for all this waka pass through, you will carry your car, seat, fan, and even PA to a movie set. Who you they do?
Now, what do you expect? Eh? That is the only thing in the industry.
Hey!
I'm telling you the truth. Me, I will not carry last though. God forbid. I will never carry last. That
was that the other day. In fact, the way you begged me. Hey! You begged me to follow you to a movie set as your PA. So the way you were carrying yourself. Acting all high and mighty as though you're already a star.
When you're done, come and take the call list. These are the people that called from main market.
I keep having the same dream repeated. Who is he? Does it mean the dream is clearer than the picture of what will happen in the nearest future? I don't get it.
Mona Lisa, come and take the list. Mona Lisa. Mona Lisa, are you okay?
Yes, my lady. I'm okay.
Now, what is this? You're so lost in thought. Are you okay?
Yes, my lady. I'm fine. I'm fine.
No, you can't be fine. Do you know how many times I've called your name? What are you thinking about?
Nothing, my lady. I'm sorry.
Take this. Are you sure you're okay?
Yes, I'm fine.
Dad, I want to know the offense my mother committed that landed her in prison.
That case, very strong. Very strong case.
By that you mean she was sentenced to life imprisonment?
That is a question I kept asking myself over and over again.
I'm confused here. What do you mean by the question you kept asking yourself over and over again? Were you not there when the sentence was pronounced? Dad. So Dad, how did you cope without my mother around?
Well, to be honest, it wasn't easy. After I acquired this bungalow, you were still very, very tender. So I enrolled you in a daycare and contracted the services of one Auntie Patricia to give me an extra hand.
Who is Auntie Patricia?
Well, she was in charge of the kids in the school I enrolled you in.
Okay.
Yes, so she took the extra responsibility of coming to pick you in the morning to school and return you in the evening. Yes, she was very loving. You know, she had a very soft spot for you, and with you in her care, I was rest assured that you were safe.
Was she married at the time?
No, she was actually single and searching.
So, where is she now?
Well, I don't know. At a point she left town and I couldn't set my eyes on her again.
I honestly wish I could see her now so that I can appreciate her for what she did for me.
Unfortunately, I don't know her whereabouts. You know, she actually loved you like your own mom. You know, she took care of you. As a matter of fact, there was a time she left that school I enrolled you in, and things were really difficult. I had no option but to move you to the school she went to, so that she could help play that role she was playing for me. Yeah.
Dad. I've been meaning to ask you this though. Have you took out time to figure out what happened, you know, in your life? Think about it. Don't you think something went wrong somewhere at some point in time? Because how could all this mishap happen to someone at the same time?
To be honest, son, I didn't see this coming. Didn't.
Child of nobody, please don't cry. Child of nobody, please don't cry. Don't you know, don't you know, don't you know, God is near. Can't you see, can't you see, can't you see? He is watching you. Everything is gonna be alright. It's gonna be alright. Everything is gonna be alright for you. Everything is gonna be alright.
Hello?
It's gonna be alright. Everything is gonna be alright.
Hello? Hi.
Hi. You're the lady from the other day, right?
Exactly.
Yeah.
Have you forgotten me so soon?
No, I didn't forget you. I was doing something inside. I'm sure, you know, it's just clouded my mind or something.
It's fine.
So what brings you here? I was actually on my way out.
Serious?
Yes.
Oh, I see. Okay, why don't I give you a lift to where you're going to anyway?
No, that will not be necessary. I'll find my way.
Are you serious?
Yes, I'm very sure about that.
Okay, what about your dad?
He's fine, but he's not home.
Oh, he's not home.
Yes.
Okay, I got something for you.
Oh no, you shouldn't have. Come on.
It's okay, it's nothing. Anything for you, okay? It's quite expensive, but just for my man. Only for my man. Come on, take it. It's all for you.
Thank you anyway, but you know, this is actually not necessary.
It's okay. I'm not complaining, okay? It's nothing. You know, I can do anything for you. Don't need to worry yourself. Oh my goodness. Oh, I'll have to be on my way. All right. I'll see you later.
Take care.
All right, you too.
Yeah.
All right.
Is it a crime to be real? Is it a crime to be truthful? Is it a crime to be poor? Am I the one responsible?
Hi.
Hello?
What are you looking for?
I came to see Calvin.
Oh, is he not at home?
He is.
All right.
I do. What's up now?
I did fine.
What a push now.
All right, no one.
Calvin.
Yeah.
I'll see you later. Please do take good care of him.
Oh, sure, I will.
My darling.
Yeah.
Sweetie, take care of yourself, okay?
I just wanna love somebody and pray that someone loves me back. I just wanna
Bye.
be the best I can. I don't wanna live a life of crime.
Bye.
What is my crime? This is my life, my life, my life, my life. This is my life, my life, my life, my life. I just wanna be free. Let me be free. Everything is gonna be alright for you.
Good to see you. Good to see you too. Thank you. Hey, this your PA job is paying well. Come on, you look good. Man, you can say that again. At least it is better than nothing. Do you know that my teaching job was really stressful? It was stressing the living daylight out of me, and yet they're paying you little or nothing. That's true. Oh, look at you. You don't look bad. Alfred, well, that reminds me, what of Alfred, guy? When are you guys walking down the aisle now? Lisa, easy. One question at a time. Okay, fine, I'm sorry. My first question, what of Alfred? He's doing great. Okay, that brings me to my second question. When are you guys walking down the aisle? You guys have been together for 3 years. Okay, Alfred is working on a project right now. Okay. When he's done, marriage is next in line. Woo! I cannot wait. That's good news, baby girl. At this point, me and Sandra go take drag for 2 bridesmaids. No, I'll leave that to you guys. I'll leave it to you guys. That reminds me, what of Sandra? She's fine. I'm actually going to her. Sure. It's been long, guys, so I actually wanted to get something, but then let's go. All right.
Guy, calm down. Eh? Cheer up now.
Am I cursed or something?
Why would you say a thing like that now? You're not cursed.
I mean, how come nothing I ever put my hands in works? Everything just fails.
Kelvin, just take a chill pill, okay? Everything will be fine. Don't worry, you'll be fine, yeah? What's this?
That girl that brought it now, that girl, I can't call. I never even look inside, sir. I don't know what you think.
Two butter. Singlet.
I don't send a message. I didn't tell her to buy anything from me. I don't know who sent that message.
My man, this girl likes you.
She likes me?
Yes, now.
Well, that's her business. I don't like her. Is that why she was telling me to join the movie industry? Anyway, I declined.
Why? Why did you decline? You don't know that's where your greatness lies.
Ah, see this one. Nobody greatness.
Wait.
Oga, I'm not interested in acting. I don't want to be an actor.
You should just allow this girl to push you in. You never can tell. You see, you have everything it takes to be a great actor.
Okay.
Look at your complexion. You have a nice complexion. You speak very well.
All right.
Just allow her to push you in. Hi.
Okay.
My man.
Bro, I'm not interested, I beg.
I don't like that girl. There's just something about her that doesn't just sit right with me. You understand? So anything that concerns her, I don't want to start something I won't finish. You get that kind of thing?
See, guy. Check now. The other day, we went to that pharmacy that placed an advert that they need a sales boy. We got there to find out they've already had someone already. Now, this kind of life you want to live. Eh?
Sorry.
Can imagine. Person we don't stay abroad for years.
First class graduate.
A boy.
First class graduate in pharmacology.
A boy. It's not making sense now. Sales boy. But you should just allow this girl to put you in. You enjoy it later. She bought you pants. Boxer. Singlet.
Jacob is. Thank you. Have this. Just have this. Thank you. Baby, I've missed you so much. I'm happy to see you.
I missed you too. So how is your work?
Work is good as you can see, but then, like I said earlier, I've missed you so much. Don't do it again. I don't want that.
You know you barely have time for us.
I'm sorry. It's my work. I missed you good as well. Believe me. I'm sorry. Please forgive me.
Your work. Do you not live with your boss?
Yes. I mean, every morning we wake up, she goes for jogging. And then she's making it a point of habit that whenever she's going for jogging, I'll go with her. And then we jog together. That's what we do.
That means you work 24 hours every day?
Not really. Not like I work 24 hours. Apparently, when we get back from jogging, we get ready for office. And when we get to the office, do you believe that I share the same office with my boss?
Wow.
I mean, that woman doesn't want me to leave her side for a moment. And after the day's work, we drive home back together. And that's it.
Wait, babes, do you cook or do house chores too?
Hey, come on, stop it. I don't do that. That's the work of being body domestic.
Better.
I don't do that.
Oh, that's fine. I like your job.
Oh, really? Yeah. You like it? Maybe you should come and work for my boss just today.
Who?
No, you have to.
Wait, who?
No, sis, you like, no, she needs to.
Oh, don't even go there, Chelsea. That she can do that. But babe, let me ask you, can you entertain visitors in the house? I mean,
my boss's house?
Yes.
Oh, of course, why not?
Okay, I will be there next weekend.
Yes. Yes, next weekend, right? Maybe by Sunday or Saturday. What do you think?
I mean, I'll be so happy to host you. No, I'll be so happy.
So be expecting us on Saturday.
Saturday. Next weekend we are coming. Oh, next weekend. Chelsea, don't turn my boss's house upside down. I don't trust you.
She a baby. Oh, please,
No, I won't do that.
Next weekend.
I can't wait.
Next weekend.
Mr. Lufami. Pick it. Hello, Mr. Lufami. Good morning. What's the problem? Olufemi, what is it? What? What do you mean? What are you talking about? My goods. What millions of naira damaged? Mr. Olufemi, can you hear yourself? What do you mean by that? My goods? Millions of naira?
Melody, please calm down. Please calm down. Melody, please calm down. My lady, you know your condition. Please calm
What do
down.
I do? What do we do?
Just calm down. My lady, please. You have to calm down, okay? You have to calm down.
What he's talking about? My young goats.
I know.
My young goats.
I know.
Got damaged.
My lady, please calm down.
I'm thirsty.
My lady.
Alright. It's gonna be alright.
Educate, open the gate.
It's gonna be
Educate.
alright.
Educate, open the gate. Educate.
Sorry.
Now will it take you eternity before you open the gate? Are you mad?
Everything is gonna be alright. It's gonna be alright. Everything is gonna be alright for you. Everything is gonna be alright. It's gonna be alright. Everything is gonna be alright. Just for you. Child of nobody. Please be still.
What in the world is happening to me? My driver damaged my car beyond repair. My goods, worth over 50 million naira damaged on the highway. My lady, such is life. Every human being goes through challenges at one point of his or her life. But the ability to control these things and still have our head standing tall is what makes us superhuman. Isn't that much for one person? Yes, my lady. I understand how you feel perfectly. I know what is going through your mind. I mean, for someone to have such a great loss. But I just need you to be strong. Do you know what I feel? I feel this is not ordinary. No, my lady. Sometimes these things tend to happen naturally. Can you quit patronizing me? I'm not a fool. I know what I'm talking about here. I'm telling you that this thing is not ordinary. I still insist, my lady. No. Sometimes we should not always feel like our trying times has to do with one person bewitching us from anywhere. You're better of a preacher. Now what do you want me to think of? Positive. To be positive, my lady. My lady, if you don't mind, I would like to fix your water for you to shower. Then after which I'll tell Bimbo to prepare breakfast for you. I lost my appetite. I'm not hungry. No, my lady. You have to eat something so you can take your drugs. Now what is this? I'm talking about losing millions of naira. And there you are standing, talking about food. Are you sure you're well?
For you, everything is gonna be alright. It's gonna be alright. Everything is gonna be alright. Just for you. Child of nobody. Please be still. Child of nobody.
Yes? What is it?
I was
You were what? What is it? Why are you stuttering? Why can't you say anything?
I'm sorry,
Can you talk? What is it? I see you don't have anything to say. You're not serious. Excuse me.
Don't you know, don't you know, don't you Can't you see, can't you see, can't you see?
Some guys are just moron. I mean, how will you be talking to a girl, you stalk the girl and you can't say anything? And you call yourself a man? What kind of nonsense is that? But then, why does it look like I know this guy or like I've seen him somewhere before? His face seems very familiar. Have we met? Oh, this must be the same guy in my dream. Yes, he's the same person, I'm sure. So why did it take me a full whole year to see him? And then I saw him and I scared him away. Oh my God. I think I have to look for this guy. I mean... Mona Lisa! Let's go now. Stop this. I mean, how did I let him go?
Child of nobody, please don't cry. Don't you know, don't you know, don't you know, God is near. Can't you see, can't you see, can't you see, He knows you're strong. Everything is gonna be alright. It's gonna be alright.
My lady, I got you drugs and then I brought your food. So you need to eat so you can take your medication. I'm not hungry. My lady, you know there is no way you can actually take your drugs without eating. Even the pharmacist advised that you must eat before taking your drugs. I don't want food. My lady, please. Please, you have to eat something, even if it's a little. We need you to get back to your feet as soon as possible. Please, my lady, eat something. I said I'm not hungry. No, my lady, you must eat something. You must eat. Please, my lady. My lady, please.
I messed up today.
What's it happen?
Oh, God. In fact, as I even think they didn't say, shame they catch me.
I'm
so ashamed of myself.
What's happen?
If you see the babe why I see today, you see this babe. You know that pharmacy now for along Dennis or Sadebe Road now?
The one where they go supply.
The one where they go, thank you very much. Omo, that's why I go there today. See me, I go, collect the money where they owe me now from the last supply I give to them.
Yeah.
That's how I enter the place. I just enter like this. From nowhere, this babe, you see this babe. This babe just fall into the pharmacy.
My God, dude.
Omo, I look babe like this and they wonder, say, if you see her, breathtakingly beautiful, chala chala chala.
Wait. What into the babe? What did you do?
Omo, I say as the girl enter, I lose control. I just look myself. I don't know what I will talk again. I look at her, they smile. I look at her, they smile.
Fine.
I said to this, oh, Omo, if you see babe, it's smooth.
Okay, man.
Omo, I got a reason. Say, what I go do this? How I go do this? Or the girl don't buy what she won't buy. Come on from this. I say no.
Okay.
I should come on like this. I got full up as a sharp man.
This is how you.
If I lose her, I don't lose this babe for life.
Not true.
And she just come out outside. They walk out towards her car. I don't even know say this girl carry car come. As I come outside, I see her.
Who boy?
She go towards her car.
Now big shot though.
Big shot now. I should move towards her car. Me they follow up. I should move towards her car. Himself they follow up.
Fine boy.
I swear to my boy. Oh man, that's why she just reach there. That's why I tall. I bowled up. The girl turn. I say, hi. And she just turn like this. Brother, as I see him, just like something drag my tongue come out from my mouth. Huh? I was just speechless. I lost every confidence in me.
Now your village will do this
thing. I no go doubt him. You get one of my uncle why they suspect. That my uncle do that thing.
Like your village.
I no go lie for you.
I could just see again if you just talk.
I no feel talk again and they look at me. I was stuttering. Me when all the stutter from my life, I started to stutter. I was just stuttering. I said, what's going on? The baby look at me and say, what's up? I no feel talk. You think tire me?
But wait though. Now who be this babe where be say my own Kevoski lala? Can't see. You know if your woman just talk to babe.
I don't know how they look at her like this. You see her. She was just looking so cool, so nice.
She won't shock me.
I'm telling you. Ravishingly beautiful. She was just there. I was just looking at her, stuttering. I couldn't say anything. Even just there.
It's a village people, they don't do well.
I swear to God, they don't
do well at all.
They don't do it. They don't try at all. They don't go lie for you.
But wait, you get a fine pass gift.
For you, everything is gonna be alright. It's gonna be alright. Everything is gonna be alright. Just for you. Child of nobody, please be still. Child of nobody, please don't cry. Don't you know, don't you know, don't you know, God is near. Can't you see, can't you see, can't you see? He knows you're strong. Everything is gonna be alright. It's gonna be alright. Everything is gonna be alright. Just for you. Though sometimes it comes overwhelming, be calm. Though sometimes you feel so.
Kelvin, can I ask you a question?
Yeah, please go ahead.
What is so special about this babe that, I mean, what does she have that Gift doesn't have?
Johnson, why are you bringing Gift into this issue right now?
Well, why won't I bring her into this? Tell me now, why won't I bring her into this? I mean, you have a rich, classy, beautiful girl like Gift, and here you are talking about a total stranger you don't even know.
Yeah, I don't love this girl. What is so hard for you to understand? Gift is not my babe.
But this girl wants you. She's ready to go to the moon for you. Why are you being so uptight? Instead of thinking about how to grow a quality relationship with her that will metamorphose into something strong, you're here talking about a total stranger you don't even know about.
Why is it so hard for you to understand? What is so... Don't you understand English anymore? I do not love this babe. This babe is not my type. She is not my type. So I do not want her. That's what I'm talking about here.
Kelvin, what is wrong if a beautiful girl like Gift is crushing on a handsome bachelor like you?
If you are crushing on her, you can take her. I don't want her. I'm not giving her any thought at all whatsoever when it comes to Gift. I don't want her. So if you want her, I can hand her over to you.
Kelvin, see, listen, you know, you're every lady's spec. So let them crush on you. But if you ask me seriously, Gift is a perfect woman for you. The girl is damn rich now.
Rich?
Check the thing out now.
Okay, let's just assume that yes, she's rich.
Okay.
You know, she's everything that she makes everyone believe on Instagram and on all her social media. She has so many cars, right? Like she always says on her social media handle. How did she acquire that wealth? That's the big question.
Which one is the big question here again?
Oh, so it's not important, Abi, to ask. What I'm trying to say here is that how did she acquire that wealth? Yes, she's always saying she's an actress, she does this, she does that, she does that. How did she acquire that wealth? That's the question I'm asking.
For crying out loud. The girl is an actress now.
Actress, call actress ni. Huh? Actress, call actress ni. How many films you don't see am inside?
You don't watch film? You don't agree watch film? Do you have time for television?
Okay, you don't win me for that one. I agree I am not a Nigerian film lover.
Okay.
No doubt. But at least I know some of them now. At least I know Mercy Johnson. I know Queen Mokwe.
Aye.
All their names are Sex Stella Damasus. I know they watch their film, often. I know those people. Who will be this one?
See, wait, okay, fine.
Who will be Gift?
Make I tell you now, wait. Now, see, she may not be a superstar yet, but the girl is coming up. Give her 3 years now. You go still get go blow. You go begin mention her name. Now you go dey proud of you go dey knock your chest.
That's how they blow. Transformer, you blow. Look, I have said my own. I don't want Gift. I want nothing to do with her. See this baby I see today? Fire down. I see how they follow. Fire down.
Wait. Fire down, eh?
Yes.
Wait. You mean the babe where you see, where you know if your woman talk to? I mean the one you saw that your manhood failed you. That one I won't fire down.
I don't tell you before, so my manhood won't fail me. If he be my uncle, my manhood won't fail me.
Jesus is Lord. Careful. Don't tell me you are confused though. Are you confused? I see confusion in your eyes. See him. Don't wink. If confusion no dey wink, man.
If you talk to me.
Okay, guys. So I'm heading to my boo-boo's house. I want to pay him a surprise visit. Woo! Honestly, don't worry, guys. I will unveil him to you guys very soon. He is so cute. He is so hot. He is everything that you will love. You guys know me now. I am the gifted gift. I can never ever carry last. If my boo is not booing, I'm not gonna boo you. Honestly. So guys, very soon I will unveil him to you all, okay? I will pay him those visits. Just follow me up, okay? Follow the gifted gift.
See, I don't like when a babe records everything she does and posts on social media. That thing annoys me a lot.
It doesn't make sense.
I swear it doesn't make sense. You know, some people, they will take their bath. They're taking their bath, they'll post it on Instagram. You know, and somebody like it can do something like that. She's using the toilet. She'll record it and post on Instagram. Taking pictures unnecessarily and post on Instagram. One day, I will not be surprised. She might be even having sex. Okay, just imagine saying I'm me now. Man, you know, that kind of thing. I can't agree. So, okay, make we date now. Yes, can't they run that kind of thing? Can't they run them now? I don't know, so this guy, they record me. Don't go post on Instagram. Check out, you can't see your guy for social media.
Don't blow it up. But then, it's
not making blow like that. God will punish that. You go blow like that.
But then, see, it's not making much sense at all. As in, the rate at which this social media madness thing is going on, it's alarming. And then it's even common among celebrities.
That's what I don't like about Gift. You know, that's one attribute that I don't like about her. She's too noisy. She's too loud.
But you know it's common among celebrities. You know with them with their loud mouth.
This celebrity we only talk. Who are you referring to as a celebrity?
Gift now, your babe now. She's a Nollywood actress now.
This guy said now, wow, which kind of thing is this one? Huh? Which film you don't see Gift inside? I don't tell you, I've not seen her in him. Okay, if there's any film you've seen her in, let me know. Make her go watch her.
I've never watched her film, but there is this one I saw her. She did Waka Pass.
What's the meaning of Waka Pass?
Waka Pass now is just one scene. You see people just appear and shout, Jesus. You know,
like, you no go talk.
Yeah.
You appear like that kind once.
Yeah, once. Oh. Like that. That's what they do for that Waka Pass.
Okay, no.
Yeah. See. This your babe. She don't post something. The babe, she not the tire.
See that thing what they tell you.
This babe. Wow.
Now she post now.
Now just now, see the time now.
See that thing what they tell you. This is what I don't like about her.
No be choice.
You mustn't put everything on Instagram.
It's like she bought something for you. See.
What is she also?
See her now. The film.
Say, what is she doing? For her boo. If this girl come here, you see, I know the house. If this girl near this house, I know they here.
Why are you running? Why are you running? She's coming here, no run. Okay, no run, yeah?
What kind of nonsense is this? I mean, how can good towards over 50 million naira go down the drain like that? This is such a huge loss. Whew. Suggest prayer to my boss. No. She will not want to pray. She will want to have my head. I don't know what prayer has done to this woman. She doesn't like praying. And prayer is the only key. What is wrong with this girl? What kind of madness is this? Why would this girl not just rest? So because she bought gifts for her boyfriend, we will not hear word on this app again. Anyways, I don't blame her. It is her boyfriend that I blame. I don't even know how he stands to condone all her excesses. The year British calling themselves celebrities. Rubbish.
But guy, this girl don't dey for your matter for 1 year now. Why don't you want to reciprocate?
I don't love her now. I don't love her. That's why I'm not reciprocating. I don't love her.
What is your reason? Abi your
Let's say you don't need Chris.
Sorry.
Man is don't disturb you.
What's on ask?
Which kind of hear question be that one?
You behave like so.
Because I don't want to talk.
Oh yeah, sorry.
I don't run that girl now. I want for you. I don't run her now. I don't knock that girl. Don't they tell me this thing now because I don't want to talk.
Even now.
Those are the form gentleman. I don't run that girl now. What's up with you?
Boy. Then the one.
I don't run her now. I want for you because I don't keep quiet. You know, all they look at it talk. Hey, that girl. Well, she forced herself on me. I didn't want to do it. She was forcing herself. She was throwing herself on me. And that's one thing I don't like. Imagine if she can do it to me. I mean, she can do it to another man.
Kevoski lala. Kevo.
Why do you hear me?
No. Like, you mean say you don't...
I don't run her, but I don't enjoy her.
Guy, give me updates.
I don't enjoy her. I don't lie for you. She was forcing herself on me.
You run her for here, you did it at her place.
Guy, leave that detail there. Leave that matter. You're happy. Who is that?
Baby, it's me.
Gift?
Yes, baby.
Wait.
My dear, I was shooting around the area. It got late and I couldn't drive home. So I decided to come past the night.
Did you not think it was wise for you to call me before coming?
Come on, baby, I'm so sorry. I wasn't thinking straight. I forgot. My bad.
Gift, you know I stay here with my father, right?
I know. But you told me that your father traveled to the village in the morning. Remember?
And for that, it's enough reason for me to invite a woman into the house?
Hey! Relax. Why the interrogation? Come on. Calm down. Alright?
What are you doing? Stop. Stop, don't touch me, please.
What is it? Come on. Okay, you know what? Let's sit. Come on. Oof.
Stop doing that. This is so wrong.
If you can't offer me a seat, I will offer myself a seat. Come, sit down. Sit. What are you? You're watching football. I hate football. I love watching Nigerian movies. Oh my goodness. Okay, can't help me change.
Look, I'm not cut out for this right now. I'm tired and I need to retire to bed.
Oh no, baby. Oh no. I want you to relax. I don't buy it. Okay? Just me and you. All alone.
Yes, look, I know what you're doing. I know where you're heading with this. And I am not interested.
But I love you. You know that? You know I love you. And I can do anything for you.
Yes, stop doing this. This is not right. This is not right. What if my father was around? What is going on?
Baby, relax. Come on. Tell me I don't love it.
Stop, I don't love it. I don't like it. Just stop.
You know what? Okay, fine. Maybe you're not comfortable here. So, do you know what we're going to do?
No, I'm not going to the room with you.
You just take me to the room and make sweet love to me. Lavish me. Tear me into two. Finish me. My lion. I can't wait to experience it. Wait. The best. You are the sweetest of them all. So sweet. My love, you took me to where no man has ever taken me to. You took me to heaven and you brought me back. You took me again and you brought me back. I can go on and on and on and on and I can never get enough of you. Honestly, you are so sweet. Odogu. Hey! You are Namanibi. I'm telling you.
You're so despicable.
Me? How? I'm not. We have to go and continue. Oh my goodness, you know this. I need more.
Are you okay?
I'm good.
Normal.
I'm normal.
Are you an animal?
No, I'm not.
What's wrong with you? After everything you say you want more. Do you want to kill me? Are you okay? You didn't send it to me.
No. You need to see. My love, you took me to cloud 9. In fact, this one passed cloud 10. And you brought me back. I want to go there again. I want to pay another visit to that place. Maybe. Oh, Togo.
Don't touch me.
I know you were doing it.
Take your hands.
How did you did it left? Right. On center.
This girl.
And as you were doing it, it was in. It was in.
Take your hands off me. Don't touch me again. Let me go. Let me go, please.
No.
If they sent it to me, you did not find me. You did not see me. Please, just go. Please.
I'm seeing you here. I need more of this.
You are an animal.
No, baby, come on.
You are an animal.
Calvo. So you be chop and clean mouth like this, eh? Like, you chop that girl clean mouth. That girl practically came to visit you in your house to seduce you. And my man, Calvo, you fell for it. I know this is why you be pretending you don't love her, you don't need her, whereas you have entered into her destination. Forget that thing. You don't chop the girl clean mouth. Leave her.
God, she seduced me now.
Why didn't you resist her? Why didn't you resist her?
Well,
that's the best you could have done.
Which kind of talk is I no resist her? I'm a man for Christ's sake now. This thing they reason on you, me I they reason on my own. This head they reason on that thing.
I'm a man too now. I'm a man too. See, Kelvin, jokes apart, we've been laughing, but it's time for me to tell you the truth. It is. See, when a man lacks self-control, he sleeps with everything in skirt. Yes. The best advice I'm going to give you now is to bond with that girl.
I can't.
You can. You will.
I will not.
She's beautiful.
I will not do that. I
bold.
don't love
She has
her.
a career.
I love another.
Wait. What are you talking about? You mean the girl you just met you barely even know a thing about? You must have seen a ghost.
Johnson, you're my friend. You are my honest man. We've known each other way back from uni days. So if I say this is this, trust me, it is the way it is. I'm not comfortable with this girl. I keep telling you, I don't like her. There is nothing about her that really excites me.
You should have spelled it out from the beginning.
I told you that I explained all these things to her. How many times I will explain this thing to you? Should I say this a million times before you understand?
Kelvin, wait first. What are you up against? What are you up against? Tell me.
Well, first things first, I think she's fake.
She's fake?
Yes, she's not really who she makes us believe she is.
After all these years, now when you don't chop her mic, I can't say she's fake. Kelvin, don't make me believe you are not feeling fine. Ha! Jesus Christ. Kelvin, not do that.
What was that?
Madam, I beg, no verse. No verse, I beg. No verse. I beg, no verse.
What is no vex? You just brushed my car now, you're telling me no vex. What were you not watching where you were going to now? This man.
I say make you no verse. Now I no smash am. You only just brushing. You only just that brushing. Everything do am. No be say you no damage. Now just brushing.
From your mouth. No, only just brushing. What's that?
But I don't beg you. How are you gonna shout for me like say I damage the whole car? I don't tell you say make you no verse. I no damage the whole. I only just brushing. Now me come dey shout for me again like this now.
Oga, you dey shout for me? Now me you dey shout for?
When I don't tell you say make you no verse, you can see the not only brushing. If you say I damage the car.
Madam, please, just forgive him. Ignore this man.
I don't know what is wrong with all these reckless keke drivers. You don't know which way you dey go? Sorry, do I know you from anywhere?
It's you know. The babe from the pharmacy the other day.
Oh, I remember you.
Yeah. How have you been?
I'm fine.
Yeah, you're fine.
Thank you.
Madam, please, just forgive him. He's been driving reckless himself. I've been warning him.
You're very lucky. You dare very lucky. If not be this man we stand here, what would I have done to you? You would have fixed my car, whether brush or smash or wash.
Now what for you? Your paper body too much. If you say I damage the car,
oh God, what you gonna do now to beg? Now beg you go to beg. No, which way they shout that? Is it going to solve anything?
But I don't beg him.
You go beg him continuously now. Me, I see I should beg him. Not be begging the beggar. You they shout. Yes, man. Then you they say brush and smash. Which one they different?
Oh yeah,
brush and smash. Which one they different?
I beg.
Ha, madam, I'm very sorry. Please, I'm sorry. Please.
It's fine. It's fine. Sorry. Where are you headed?
I'm going home actually.
Okay. Do you mind if I drop you? Come on.
Okay. All right.
Alright. If you like, no watch where you they go. Still brush another person. Jump! Nonsense.
So my name is Calvin.
Mona Lisa.
A very nice name.
Thank you.
And you look very beautiful.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm flattered.
No, I'm not flattering you. Seriously, I am telling you the truth.
I see.
Yeah.
Anyways, thank you.
You're welcome. So what does Mona Lisa do for a living?
Oh, I work as a PA for my boss.
You mean like a personal assistant?
Yes.
Ah, you must be a big girl.
Big girl.
Yeah.
I don't get. Please, oh, please. Oh, if it's because of this car you're saying, please, it's not mine. It belongs to my boss.
Ah.
Yes.
I like your sincerity. You are very open, very, straight to the point. Very open-minded person.
Kelvin, what's the point of saying the car belongs to me when it is not? My boss is not feeling too well for some time, so that is why I'm using this car to run errands for her.
I see. I'm sorry to hear about your boss's illness.
I'm sure she'll be back on her feet. It's just stressful more than anything.
I can imagine. Oh, she was the one you came to get drugs for at the pharmaceutical store when I saw you, when you yelled at me, right?
Oh yes, the day I was in a haste. You came to woo me.
Really? You could not even wait to, listen to what I had to say.
You were standing there mopping at me. You didn't say anything. You know you did not say anything. You were just standing there. I was asking you, what do you want? You didn't say anything, so I had to leave because I was in a haste. Anyways, I'm sorry about that. My bad. I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Alright. Okay, you're going home. Yeah. Alright. Let's go. Let's go.
Let me be the one you wake up to in the morning, baby. I wanna be the one which you go to sleep. Oh, love, yeah, it's the best thing I ever done. Love, yeah. Oh, love, yeah, it's the best thing I ever done.
For the records, I gave you money to start up your business. I gave you a whopping sum of 700,000 naira for you to start up. After you told me that you would love to venture into medicine business at Owogo, Onitsha. What I did for love.
Thank you for doing it out of love for me. I really do appreciate that. But I do not love you. I will never love you. You are not my type of woman. I will never love you. But yeah, thank you for what you did for me.